In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a message in Slack. Whether you're managing a bustling workspace or quietly coordinating with just a few peers, pinning messages can act as an effective means to keep important information right at your fingertips. Now, just picture the scenario. You're in a busy Slack channel, and there's a crucial piece of information that you want to make sure everyone sees without having to search through endless conversations. Pinning that message is your best call. First off, let's head over to Slack. Make sure you're logged into the right workspace. If you're working on multiple projects with different teams, it's easy to get switched around, so double check. Once you're in, navigate to the specific channel or direct message conversation where the message you want to pin resides. Now, to find the exact message you're looking to pin, scroll through until you spot it, or, if needed, utilize the search function. It's a handy tool when conversations become extensive. Once identified, hover over the message. Here, you should see a row of icons appear. Click on the ellipsis, those three little dots. This action will open a drop-down list of options. In this list, you'll see the option labeled Pin to Channel. Click it. Congratulations, you've successfully pinned the message. After pinning, how do you or other members access the pinned messages, you might ask? Well, look to the top of your Slack window. You'll see a thumbtack icon, which when clicked, brings up a list of all your pinned messages in that particular channel. It's like having a digital notice board right at your disposal. Once you're done with a pinned message, or if it becomes outdated, you might want to unpin it. Simply hover over the pinned message again, click on those same three dots, and select Unpin from Channel. Neat and tidy, that message is now back in the clutter with the rest. Don't forget, pinning too many messages can make it harder to sift through what's truly important, so try to be somewhat selective about what gets pinned. It's always best to prioritize the most pertinent information. Pinning in Slack is not only about organizing and highlighting crucial pieces of information for everyone involved. It's about making collaboration smoother and more efficient. You can provide quick access to schedules, important reminders, or anything that helps your team stay on track without scrolling through endless chatter. So that's it. Simple, right? Just a few clicks, and you've got your headline messages pinned for easy access. Start using this feature to keep your Slack workspace efficient, effective, and most importantly, easy to navigate. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tutorials just like this one.